Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas, and Texas' best used motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I've got a 2012 Harley Davidson Street Glide I want to show you. Bike's been upgraded with an engine guard. It's got the large touring saddle added to it with a passenger backrest. That is a detachable backrest. You just flip those levers right there on both sides and it'll come off. Got the docking hardware here for a luggage rack or a tour pack. It's also had a set of upgraded slip-on mufflers added to it. It's just got a real nice sound to it. 103 motor and a 6-speed. Bike's got AM, FM, CD, electronic cruise control, full instrumentation, upgraded Avon hand grips. And she's got 15,828 miles. Also got anti-lock brakes. It's the little yellow flashing light there. Fire it off and let you listen to it. We ran the bike through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to go. Got a few little marks on it. Some little rock pecks up here on the front fender. Got a really good tire on the front there. I noticed some light little scratching here on the fairing and just some different little spots with where it looks like maybe some little rocks have flown up there and bumped it. Keeps them off the rider. That fairing does. The tank looks good. And then there's just some slight wear here on the bag lids. It looks like maybe where a boot just touched across that lid there. I don't see any signs of abuse, just use. Doesn't look like it's ever falling over or any of that stuff. Got you a battery tender lead on it. It's a little spot right there on top of the tank, just a tiny little speck. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You can see our complete inventory online at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Thanks for looking.